How do you go about proving a negative, something that never happened? I'm Danny Izquierdo, attorney for the Izquierdo Law Firm, and I'm standing here outside the Miami-Dade Police Department's Special Victims Unit. I was here with one of our clients, a juvenile whose stepsister is accusing him of touching her inappropriately. In Florida, this is known as a lewd and lascivious battery. From day one, our client maintained to us that this allegation, which is years old and probably being used and leveraged as part of a custody dispute between parents, is completely false and made up. So how do you go about proving a negative? How do you prove that something didn't happen? And this is where people oftentimes get in trouble speaking with police. They try to go in there and think that they're going to very easily talk their way out of it. The problem is you can't do that easily. You don't know what questions the cops are going to ask you. You don't know the context, and you don't know what answers they are looking for. So in this case, we came here with every intention of sitting down with a detective and quickly denying the allegations. However, in doing that, the detective was adamant that she had to engage in questioning, engage in a back and forth. And at that moment, we denied the allegations through counsel and immediately invoked our client's rights to remain silent. Because at the end of the day, you cannot prove a negative. And in these types of cases, in sexual crimes cases, everything is context. And you can easily talk yourself into a corner and down a rabbit hole where that evidence is used against you and you're ultimately charged where you otherwise wouldn't be. If anybody you know and love, especially a juvenile, happens to get charged with a sex crime, whether it be lewd and lascivious battery or sexual battery, which is much more serious, don't bring them down to the police station. Consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney that handles sex crime cases, and let the attorney vet the case, investigate the case, and speak up on your behalf.